Hello, I'm Assemblyman Sayegh. Here in Yonkers, New York, a very special day today, February 17, 2021. We received great news for Yonkers today. Governor Cuomo today earlier announced a vaccination site for the city of Yonkers. As you know, we've been advocating for more testing, more vaccination for our residents of Yonkers. And today was special because with the help of the governor's office, the help of Senator Chuck Schumer and the CDC, through an initiative by President Biden, there was more vaccination that was ordered statewide and nationally. And New York State will be adding 4 new mass vaccination sites. One is scheduled for the city of Yonkers at the Armory on North Broadway in Quincy, which is accessible for the southwest portion of the city that's most in need. And our districts, our zip codes, 10701, 10705, and 10703 would be targeted. Individuals living in those districts would be given a first opportunity. This vaccination site, the vaccines will come directly from the federal government, so it doesn't take away from the New York State supply, and they would be housed and staffed at the Armory with the help of National Guard, potentially state militia, and also with CDC, Center for Disease Control. These are federal professional staff members. Our goal is to work with community agencies, with the churches, with the community at large, and our local officials to see how we can best get most Yonkers residents, especially in those zip codes, to get vaccinated as soon as possible. It's important because the health and the life of many residents is at stake. Many people in Southwest Yonkers weren't tested according to how often they should be. They had difficulty in making appointments. They had difficulty in transportation to the sites at the county hospital and at the county center. And we took the lead working with our state delegation, with our federal delegation, and the governor's office to basically initiate this very important task. So I'm honored as a state assemblyman to work with our local officials and our community-based organizations to make sure this vaccination site works best for Yonkers, works best for our residents, especially those in Southwest Yonkers, because testing and vaccination can save our lives. And I want each and every resident of Yonkers, even though we're happy that there's more vaccines coming, there's more vaccination available, you need to stay safeguarded. You need to continue to wear your mask to stay safe, practice distancing, because we're not out of the woods yet. But although we see the light, we're happy, we're proud of this moment, we tell our residents continue to be careful. And I welcome the support of local city council members, especially Councilwoman Tasha Diaz and Councilwoman Shanae Williams, that are basically representing that portion of the city, to continue working with my office to make sure that we can bring about the results we want. And what are the results? We want Yonkers residents to be given the vaccination. We want it to be simple. We want it to be orderly. We want the community to work together, and we want to make sure at the end of the day that we can say 70-80% of Yonkers has been vaccinated. So we can develop herd immunity, we can go back to schools, we can open our businesses, and really bring back normalcy, which is what each and every one of us misses. So 2021, although would have liked to see the vaccination site earlier, I'm happy that it's here to stay. The vaccination site will start in 2 weeks on March 3rd, and we would be disseminating on Facebook and information that would be helpful in working together and allowing the public at large, Yonkers residents, to know how they can best sign up for the vaccination and what the process would be. So Yonkers, it's a good day. Thank you very much again to each and every individual involved, from the majority leader to the governor to the U.S. senator and to the president, for making this special day happen. Thank you very much.